Don't know if you can see them, but there's loads of house martins nesting in the cliffs there. That's cool, isn't it? See if I can get a bit closer without scaring them. But yeah, good morning. Down on Cranstell beach this morning. Wow, there's lots of them. Wonder if the camera picks that up. All the holes they've made to go nesting in. Yeah, I've not been down this beach for a long time because the seals were annoying me. But yeah, we've got a load of shit tides coming, real small tides, and this is like the last, you know, semi-decent one. So yeah, I thought I'd come out this morning and just give it a go here. Westerly winds, so I won't be able to fish the west coast. It was really windy last night. I've had a lot of rain recently. But yeah, this is probably my last chance for a couple of weeks till the tides pick up again. It's changed a lot since I was last here though. These big slabs of concrete. Yeah. The Isle of Man's lost a bit of earth. Big old stair set there. Right, I'm going to march down, but aim for that sandbank over there, and yeah, fish the tide up. So yeah, I'll march down there and bring you back. Well, this is where I'm deciding to fish anyway. So I've got a rock up there, rock behind me, and a little bit of a reef out there, and I'm just going to fish the tide coming in. See if there's anything around. I'm going to swap off the seeker to start with. I'm going to go straight Pachenko. I know it's bright and that, but just want to see something smash a lure off the top. Yeah, I'll get myself set up and yeah, go and get out in the water, bring you back. Well, I've noticed a lot of birds and terns diving, so they must be diving on sand eel. But yeah, I've gone with the smaller Pachenko to start with. We'll give it a go. It is quite windy out here though. It's more of a southerly. It was meant to be westerlies, but it is what it is. How's the water looking? Quite clear, considering all the rain we've had. Will I finally get me bloody first bass of the year? My fingers are crossed, my toes are crossed. But yeah, I've not fished on this beach in a long time. Been concentrating on west coast purely because of the seals. I got my PB bass from around here, and I've seen ones that are a lot bigger. Yeah, have a few casts on the Pachenko, and then I've got a few other lures to try. Hopefully this wind calms down a bit. I'll keep you with me for another cast, and then I'll turn the camera off because I've not got much battery on it. Do you know what? I'm going to switch to the heavier Pachenko. But yeah, wish me luck. Come on, the bass. Well, as you can see, I'm not at Cranstell anymore. I'm down at Vulan, and the tide's going out. Sun's setting. And yeah, I've walked from the beach, missioned all over these rocks to where I'm stood here. Cracking little spot. And there's quite a few fish been jumping around here, so I've stuck the little seeker on. I've had a few casts on the old Pachenko, nothing, but yeah, these fish keep jumping here. So we'll have a good go for them. Does look good coming through the water. Get the old glasses off now. Yeah, what? See, there's a fish there, just jumped. Hopefully the camera picked that up. So there's fish around here. Yeah, so far nothing. I will bring you back if there's anything to bring you back to. Well, I'm in. Feels like a sea trout. It's thrashing around like one. Only a little one. It is indeed a sea trout. Beauty. Right, I'm going to bring it round here and land it. I'll bring you back. Right, then here it comes. Beautiful fish. Alright, mate. Calm yourself down. Nicely hooked as well, just one hook in them. Tell you what, they're good hooks on these seekers. But hey, that camera pointing right. How's that, eh? Beauty. Off you go, matey. Well, at least I haven't blanked, eh? Try and get another one. Well, I'm in again, it's another one. Just next cast. There's another sea trout. Tell by the way it's fighting, but they are jumping everywhere around me here. And my brother has just turned up as well, hopefully. He brought his rod with him. I'm right down at the water now, so I'll be able to land it safely. But yeah, I've literally just cast it out. I should have kept yours with me. About the same size as the other one. Just hope it doesn't thrash around too much at my feet. Healthy supply of these out here at the minute. Come here, you. Tell you what, they fight you right up to the end, don't they? Alright, let's get this one unhooked, then I'll keep you with me for a cast, I think. Calm down. Right. Only problem now is I ain't got my forceps with me. Well hooked anyway, isn't going anywhere. There we go. Right, there's that, eh? About the same size as the other one. And there's sea lice on him. And away he goes. Right, I'll just keep you with me for this cast. What's that? Just had 2 sea trout in a row. Right, we'll cast to the same spot, see if we get 3 in a row, eh? They say good things come in threes. Can he get a hat trick? I know, it's mental, isn't it? Well, that's just typical. Put the camera on and nothing. But yeah, I'm going to have a little quick chat with me brother. And yeah, bring you back if I get into any others. Well, I'm in again. Feels like another sea trout. Real thrashy fight you get off him. Maybe my smallest one yet. Oh, he's gone. Saves me touching it anyway. Right, you want to go and try and get one then? See if my brother can catch one, eh? And he's only in. Is this his cracker? Right, just tighten that drag a little bit. Not too many turns because it's dead. And just bring it to me, yeah? Where's your line? There it is.
I'll get the funk in there.
There you go, your first sea trout.
Get the funk in there.
Calm down.
Did you get a picture of me with that with your phone?
Huh?
Did you get a picture of me catching it?
Hold on, let me get this unhooked. Again, this one hit me about 3 times coming in. It's another sea trout. It's absolutely stuffed with them here. These little small ones. Try and get, where am I getting this one? Yeah, up in the same rock pool I think. Loads of them out there. They do an half thrash around though. If it comes off, it comes off, but there we go, there's another one.
Same sort of size?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
I've seen real big ones jumping though, and they're the ones I'm wanting. If I can't catch bass, and that shows what he's feeding on. He's spitting up sand eels there, if you can see. Try and give you a show of that. Hang on, let me get it unhooked. Well, there's a bit of what he was eating.
Just take that, because that's really interesting.
What, the spine?
The fucking photo of him with the, what you just coughed up.
Yeah, there's more of it here.
There you go.
That's what they're eating. Sand eel. There's the result of that white seeker. Hang on a minute. Covered in sea lice. We're going to get him back.
Bye bye.
And off he goes. Get in there. Try and get some more, eh? It's taken to the air. Way. Oh, my neck. Feels a little bit better than my last one anyway.
Bye boy. How's that going?
Make sure I don't fall yet.
Bring them down that gully.
Yeah, I'm going to try. A slightly better one.
I'm taking a picture of this one. Oh, he's 2 or 3. Can you hold it?
Hang on.
Done?
It's not done. Alright mate, alright. Calm down. You like to hold that rod a sec? Nice one.
That's a better fish, Callum.
Yeah. Alright mate. Alright, get it unhooked and bring his back. I've got the hook out. Just reviving it. A nice fish though. You need to try and get one in, Ben.
If he needs to go, just let him go, obviously.
I will. Oh, there he goes. He's gone.
There you go.
What's that for me, number 4?
Something like that.
Yeah, I think that's 4. Right, they're getting better anyway. Well, I'm starting to lose the light now. It's gone a little bit quiet. I've had a couple of knocks. But yeah, I'm really trying to get that number 5. It's just not happening. But yeah, what a change from the morning. All I seem to catch at the minute is sea trout, which is nuts to me. But there's a hell of a lot of them. I've seen lots and lots jumping, real big ones. Loads and loads, about the size that I've been catching today. About a pound and a half. I'll have a few more casts and then I'll have to start thinking about making my way back, because I don't want to be clambering all over that crap in the dark. Oh, another one's just jumped out there. Right, so they are still around. It's probably about an hour before low water, and it's not the biggest of tides. Out there it was. Keep you with me for this cast. You always want one more, don't you? But I'll be coming back to this little mark. It's a little bit of a mission to get to, but definitely worth it. It is a little bit dangerous, but I know what I'm doing. Come on, just one more. Sounds greedy, but the amount of trips I've done, the amount of blanks, casts with nothing on the retrieve, this is nice. It really is. But yeah, I'm not going to have much light to film the rest of this, so thanks for watching. Started off a bit rubbish up at Cranstell, but certainly made up for it down here, Port of Vulan. Got a nice sunset. Yeah. Amazing place. And an amazing session. Yep, nice one. Thanks for watching, and if you did and you enjoyed that, give it a like, maybe subscribe. So yeah, tight lines everyone, until the next time. Ah, get in there. I'm into number 4, he's off. Oh no, he's not. Oh. Wow. Powering at me. Might be a better one, this. I actually saw it jump twice over there, and I just thought, you know what, ping me lure towards it, and it took it. Right, where am I going to land this? I'll have to bring it in down here. Hey. Right, I'm going to get me down there, myself down there safe. I don't want to film myself going on my ass. I'll be back in a minute. I've managed to get myself down. Nearly went in. Go on then. Tell you what a cracking evening this has been. And that is not a bad sea trout at all. That is a nice one. Right. Tell you what, that might be bigger than my other one. Right, I'll get it unhooked, bring you back. Hang on. Right, it's unhooked. It may get out my hands here. Hang on. But I'll tell you what, that's a cracker, that one. Look at that. Absolutely amazing fish, that. A little bit thin, but that's a good couple of pound. Oh, go on then. Hey, get in there. Number 5. And that's what they're taking. That's 5 sea trout I've had on that. 30 gram white Savage Gear Seeker. Tell you what, I'm bloody made up, I am. And that was casted just there. He jumped twice, 2 or 3 times, casted at him, and I seen him come at the lure and then bang. Bloody brilliant. Right,